Welcome to the tutorial on how to make a bridge on Bloom. In the first part, we tackled the bridge on Solana, and in the second on EVM. So let's get started. First, we click the bridge button or bridge through the menu. Then here the addresses are already assigned, but we need to click set address to assign a receiver address. Being on Solana now, we need to assign an EVM address. So we click on set address, enter the receiver EVM, and it will be set. This instead is our sender address, which is the address we will send from. Then we select the blockchain to which we want to make the bridge, so from Solana to BSC, for example, or from Solana to Base. We decide whether to make the bridge through the private or public option. We consult our docs to understand the differences. Once all these parameters are decided, just click Bridge to make the bridge. As for EVM, it works the same way with one more step. In this case, we also need to assign the Solana receiver, since we can make bridge either from EVM to EVM, so for example from BSC to Base, or from an EVM chain, so BSC to Solana. In this case, Solana is not yet assigned. We can take from here set sol address, and thus the Solana address is also assigned. Now we choose the sender, so if we want to send BNB on BSC, Ethereum on Ethereum, Ethereum on Base, or Monad, let's say BSC, and we want to make bridge to Ethereum on Base, so as a receiver, we will choose Base. As before, we choose whether we want to make the bridge private or public. Once these parameters are set up, which we can always consult in our docs in more detail, we can comfortably click Bridge. Clicking Bridge will indeed make the bridge. Lastly, let's see what the lock and unlock buttons mean. They are present on both Solana and EVM and are simply used to ensure that in case of compromise, it is not possible to change the address for 24 hours. So by clicking lock address, the address will be blocked for 24 hours. To unlock, just click and there will be a countdown of exactly 24 hours, which will decrease every time we do the refresh.